The Abuja Electricity Distribution Company, AEDC, has jettisoned allegations by some Abuja residents over extortion of funds for installation of prepaid meters. Engineer Ernest Mupwaya, the managing director of AEDC, allayed fears by some of the residents of FCT by urging them to always embrace the use of smart meters to avoid billings for overpriced energy in the use of electricity. According to him, the metering program has been designed as means of regulator as an initiative of AEDC to help metering response, therefore the need for people to embrace it.
What the customers should demand is that they should actually embrace the program because it has a lot of flexibilities built in. For example, the customers may not necessarily be required to pay a lump sum. They have option to spread payments, whether a lump sum or in 1 year, 2 years, up to 10 years. So it's designed in such a way that in terms of affordability, the majority of customers should be able to access the meter. And the beauty with the program is that once you enroll on this program, you are expected to receive your meter within 10 days in a very transparent way. So we think that it will add to the effort of closing the metering gap. Past efforts of metering, the resources have not been sufficient to meet to close the gap within a shortest possible time. So if we work together with our customers, we are confident that we could close this metering gap for AEDC within 36 months.
Part Engineer Danliti Inusa, Acting General Manager, Technical Services of AEDC, he said that although the residents complained bordered more on poor electricity power supply, efforts will be put in place to improve on it.
We are having some issues in terms of capacity limitation at Kubwa, where we have a substations. And AEDC at its own part, we understand that there is excess capacity at Katampe, TCN substation. So presently, we are working on the line from Katampe to Pete, part of Dawaki and part of Gwarumpa. By so doing, power supply problem at Buari and Kubwa axis will be reduced. And we're hoping that in the next 3 weeks, that should be resolved. And equally on the TCN side, our brothers, we are aware of the efforts they're making to see how they can replace a failed transformer at Kubwa. That has been on from what they are telling us in few days to come, which I cannot be specific, but I believe that will also be resolved soon. So when these two efforts are made, the power supply will be improved in Kubwa, Gwarumpa, and Buari axis.
A cross-section of residents in the FCT said that they had applied for prepaid meters, but that delay on the part of the company to install the devices in their houses and some commercial outlets posed challenges for them to meet demands of overpriced electricity bills.
For about 2 years now, and it's not forthcoming.
So what are they telling you? And now that they are asking you to pay, what's your next step?
I thought it was free, and I feel it's still supposed to be free. Prepaid meter being paid for is uncalled for.
Light condition like in Buari.
Okay, I can't say generally, but my own side, at times we do have light, and the other people, at times we don't have light, the other ones have. So our line, I think we have only one line, one phase, but the light is not really stable, and we have low currents in our area here. That's quarters extension. So we have low current, and that's just little I can say about it because I'm not always around, but most times I'm around, I always have these challenges.
Okay. Do you use prepaid meter?
Yes, we use prepaid meter.
So what has been the challenges despite use of prepaid meter?
Our prepaid meter is actually working perfectly.
Program initiative which seeks to tackle irregularities in overpriced energy, among other things, will start on May 1.